At BDW International School, Shillong, we are dedicated to providing an authentic Montessori experience where children are encouraged to explore, discover, and shape their own world. Rooted in the Montessori philosophy, we nurture a strong sense of community where every child feels respected, supported, and truly welcomed. There are 5 core areas of the Montessori curriculum. Number 1. Practical life. Practical life activities nurture independence, refine coordination, and strengthen focus by engaging children in everyday tasks, such as self-care and developing social skills. Number 2. Sensorial. This area offers activities and materials that refine the senses, helping children compare and understand the world, for example through color grading. Number 3. Language. It helps children build literacy and communication by using the movable alphabet and naming objects. Number 4. Mathematics introduces children to numbers, quantity, and basic operations through hands-on materials. Number 5. Cultural studies. Cultural studies covers geography, history, science, and art, giving children a holistic understanding of the world. Each project and interaction becomes an opportunity for self-discovery, helping children unlock their unique potential. As they lay the foundation of academic knowledge, they also prepare for a purposeful life, guided by curiosity, capable minds, and skillful hands.